Setting up a powerful CRM like Bittrex24 can feel a bit like being handed the keys to a Ferrari when all you know is how to ride a push bike. If you don't set it up properly, you'll end up stalling. Most people treat their CRM like it's just a digital filing cabinet, but they're missing out on automation and AI that could actually help grow their business. Today, I'm sharing the 3 biggest mistakes I see people make when moving to this all-in-one operating system so you can avoid the hassle and start closing deals from day one. Let's get stuck in. Mistake number 1 is treating your CRM like it's just a static spreadsheet. The biggest mistake is not treating Bittrex24 as a unified workspace where your communication, tasks, and sales are all linked together in one operating system. You got heaps of tools at your fingertips, and your CRM should really be the single source of truth for all your customer data, so you don't end up with fragmented silos, different platforms. People often forget to hook up all their communication channels like email and phone directly into the platform. This unified view that Bittrex24 provides lets you see the whole history of a client all in one spot. So if we head over to the contact center here and click on More, we can check out telephony and market. Here in the Bittrex24 market, we can connect things like WhatsApp and email and easily link them to our CRM. All you need to do is hit install, give it permission to access your business messages, and after one last install, you're good to go. And as you can see from the pop-ups, it's thanking us for installing, and now we've got access to WhatsApp via API right inside our CRM platform. Next up, let's connect Gmail. This is really easy to do. All you need to do is connect and then sign in with your Gmail account. We're going to switch CRM integration on, and we've got a few options here depending on what we need. So we can import emails from specific weeks. Here, we've selected 1 week. We can set up lead categories for incoming messages and new email addresses, and we can also create contacts for outgoing messages to new email addresses. And all of this will be available inside Bittrex24. All you need to do is hit connect. Now, if we head over to our dashboard, this is where we can see our emails, the WhatsApp integration we just added, and everything is really easy to get to. This is actually something a lot of other platforms don't offer. We've got a CRM interface where multiple channels are linked to a single lead record. And if we go to the leads section, this is where we can see the leads that have come in through these integrations. So we've got a website redesign inquiry, we've got the quote, comments, messages, tasks, and we can even invite new people to join the chat. And here we can leave a comment saying something like, the client's interested in redesigning their company website and wants pricing, timelines, and maintenance info. Draft a professional follow-up response. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the AI Copilot when it comes to lead management. A lot of new users still do manual data entry instead of letting the AI Copilot summarize calls and draft follow-up emails. So here in the comments section of our lead management, what we can do is type in, client is interested in redesigning their company website and wants pricing, timeline, and maintenance information. Draft a professional follow-up response. And then all we have to do from here is tag the Copilot and it'll handle everything for us. We do this by typing in the @ symbol, and then you'll see the Copilot automatically pop up. So we can say, summarize the client interaction and highlight the next recommended sales action. And there you have it. It's doing its thing. Now, ignoring these AI agents means wasting about 30% of management time on tasks that could be automated. Not using AI-powered lead scoring means your sales team could end up chasing dead ends instead of focusing on high-probability deals. Here, it's written a whole email for us. All we need to do is change the client's name here, and we've got a fully professional email ready to send. And of course, yes, we'll add our name, our company, and our signature at the bottom as well. Now, the reason this works is because Bittrex24 actually focuses on predictive analytics within the CRM and can automatically forecast pipeline success, which means it drafts the right replies for you. If we want to change anything about this email, we can do it really easily. Of course, we'll want to get rid of the top bit, which is our prompt, and then we're left with just the subject and the email underneath. And finally, let's just pop our name in here. Once we're happy, we hit send, and you can see here that the comment's ready to go. That's now scheduled to contact the customer. Now, the third mistake I see people making is skipping the professional profile setup. Leaving a user profile incomplete reduces team transparency and looks unprofessional when dealing with clients. A fully completed profile with a photo, your role, and department is crucial for building trust in a remote team environment. And neglecting to set up your profile can also mess up automated task routing if the department or role info is missing from the system. This just helps keep your company or team's internal setup running smoothly, so people can tag you and know exactly who you are on the platform. A polished profile is the first step towards a credible, high-performing workspace. As you can see here while I'm talking, we're going ahead and updating our profile. It's really similar to something like Facebook. And yet we're going to we're going to put in our name and department. And once we're happy, we just hit save. We can also update personal details, bios, and other things that connect us across the company. We can even add hobbies in an About Me section as well. So don't let these setup mistakes hold you back. Get your business running like a well-oiled machine right from the start. Click the link in the description to activate your 15-day free trial of Bitrix 24 and start building your unified workspace today. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next video.